How's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing well. We come into another daily vlog. This time we come back to the lake house here at the ranch. We got our own private lake, as you can see here. It sustained some damage because of the winter weather, but it's still pretty in good condition. We lost hundreds of thousands of tilapia is what the tilapia fish. It was covered in dead fish. They couldn't take the cold weather. They froze. This whole area right here was pretty much covered in vultures and all types of meat-eating birds. They cleaned up the lake pretty good. They did a good job. Still kind of saddening that we lost the tilapia population here on this lake. And on the other side of the road, there's another lake which is also private. We lost it there also. Point the camera over there, man. There's a bird out there. It's actually a duck. We hardly ever see any ducks anymore here. The water's so cold. I'm gonna try to put this up. There isn't too much wind, so hopefully it won't knock down the lens. Hopefully, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. As I said, that's kind of high. I don't trust it. Let's go down a little bit more. Right there. Right there looks sufficient. This is the lake house. This is where we pretty much, when we have time to relax, get a pool table inside, relax, turn on the barbecue pit, put some meat on the skillet, and sometimes just bring the wave runners and come out here and enjoy ourselves. There's still a lot of bass in here, a lot of gar, a lot of catfish. Just a few days ago, a friend of mine caught a 6-foot catfish. I have pictures in my Facebook on that. But there's still a lot of fish in there. That's the good thing about it. Other than that, let me put this down. Although there ain't no wind, but I don't trust it. I'm gonna put this down here. Maybe right here. I need a wider tripod is what I need. The tripod that I'm using is actually originally from a DJI iPhone holder or something like that. But it works fine with this one. It is kind of blowing, and I don't really trust it. And I'm saying because I don't trust it is that the fact that a lot of people have had their lenses broken, and these lenses on this camera is super expensive. Maybe right there. No, right here. Right here. The wind would be blowing from off the north, so it wouldn't be able to knock it down anymore. The chair's in the way. Anyway, it's just a quick video. We are picking up. Don't bring back. I prefer to hold on to it. We're picking up onions right now. They're ready for the harvest. And we're planting the watermelon. Those are still little baby plants. We're taking it one day at a time since we're trying to recover. A lot of farmers lost their harvest. A lot of sad that the weather would kill